So now I have a common binomial situation. All that's left is to assemble the answer. And notice here it says you should now have a common binomial factor. So now I'm going to take my 2x plus 3, and now I have also my x plus 5. Step 12. If I pulled something out of step 2, that's where I'm going to apply that. Okay, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in front of the first term. I want y'all to think about this really quick, because some people are like, does it matter where it goes? Technically, you're going to get the right answer, but I want you to look up here really quick. Look up here real fast. Okay, if I have 2 times 4 times 5, what would that give me? 40. Okay, what if I rearrange my numbers? 5 times 2 times 4. Is it still 40? Okay, you know what, guys? If I have this and this, if they were in a different position, would it still change your answer? No. No. If I take x plus 5 first, the first binomial, and then make 2x plus 3, the second factor, would that change the product? No, it wouldn't. Okay? So if I had something that I pulled out, if I have something I factored out, I'm just going to put it in front. It's not going to affect the final product. Okay? Now, your job next is to check. Absolutely no negotiation here. You check. Okay? You can FOIL it, you can box it. Your choice. I have 2x plus 3, and then x plus 5. You're doing this along with me.
Can you also check by plugging in a number to the x's?
I would rather you, no. So, okay, I see what you're saying. Can I take this and plug in a number and see if you get the same value? Yes, you could do that. Totally. 0 is always a good one to try. Okay, but I'm going to FOIL this one. 2x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 15. When you get your final product, it should be what you started with. Okay, I'm getting a thumbs up. How does that feel right now? It's a lot of steps right now, but I promise you, as we work through this today in class, you will become very, very efficient. And as mathematicians, we've got to be efficient with our work. Okay, let's try another one together. This next one, we're going to have a greatest common factor to pull out. How do you like that?
Are you still waiting?
Yeah, I am.
That was really cool. I mean, I haven't done that probably since my first year of college.
Yeah.
But as soon as you started doing it, I remembered it, and I love it.
Yeah.
I forgot how much I like math.
Come back anytime, Michelle. Okay, let's try number 1. We're going to start all over with a new problem. Yeah. We have 6x squared plus 14x plus 4. Okay. Is there a GCF between your terms? What is it? 2. So take that 2 out, and let's write what's left over, what you divide by 2. Here's a little note that you need to make on your paper. Right now, this is now the original. So your original just changed. Okay. All right, let's identify our A, B, and C terms. A is 3, B is 7, and C is 2. Step 4 says to multiply A and C. 3 times 2 gives me 6. I need to list all of the factor pair for 6, so that's just 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. This is positive, so that makes it very, very easy. I'm looking for two factors. Remember, my original changed, because every now and then I look back up there thinking, oh my gosh, I don't have anything that makes 14, but 7. I'm looking for two factors that add to 7. 6 plus 1. Now I'm going to bring those down, make that 6x and 1x. I'm going to write the 1 just for the notes. You won't always do that. Okay, step 8, let's start assembling. Start with my first and last terms. Take your first and last terms of the original, the new original. Okay, make sure that you remember that. You have 3x squared and 2. Okay. The 6x and the 1x, either way, I typically like that 6x going with the 3x squared and then 1x going here. Okay. I need to factor out each one of these. My first binomial, what can I pull out of the first one?
3x.
Okay, that gives me 3x, open parentheses. After you divide it, you have x plus 2 plus, what can I divide out of the second? 1. Let's go ahead and write it, because we need that 1 to hold a spot. I'm left with x plus 2. Now I should have a common binomial. So I have now 3x plus 1 and x plus 2. I think I kind of wrote some of this all in the wrong spot, but that's okay. Step 12. This is one of those you can't forget about it, okay? There's a 2 over here. There's 2 all the way over here. We need to go back and get it. So now it's part of the answer. 2. Open parentheses. 3x plus 1. Another set of parentheses. X plus 2. What are you going to do next? Check it. Multiply.